guy's got new shoes on over here. It'd be a shame if someone stepped on them. Sean, question of the week. What's the worst mod you've ever done to a car, personal car?
Worst in what way?
Dumb, anything, just whatever you say.
Well, gutting your daily driver and turning it into a track car when you're in college.
That'll get you?
It's got some downsides, it turns out.
Okay. That's good. Was that the Miata or?
No, that was a E46.
There you go. John, worst mod you've ever done to a car, personal car?
None.
Winner!
None?
No, I really modded a ton of them.
No?
That's so funny, yeah.
Okay. I did a intake plenum spacer on a Jeep Wrangler, a 4-liter. It was the dumbest thing. It was so stupid. I think my 16-year-old self was like obsessed with the billet look. It was dumb. It whistled. It's stupid. All right. So John's always made perfect mods to his car, but the dumbest one you've ever seen.
The electric turbo.
Electric turbocharger.
Yeah, you found them on eBay.
I gotta look this up.
You plug them into 12 volts, they add like
Seriously?
negative horsepower, yeah. It's an air restriction.
Because it draws?
No, it's a massive air restriction. There's like a fan inside, then a blow that supposedly puts out a couple pounds of boost. Yeah, no.
Interesting.
That's funny. All right, Dave.
Yes, sir.
Worst mod you've ever done to a personal car?
Okay, so it's not quite the whistle tips,
When you want to woo woo, it's that woo woo.
but it was on my 2007 Audi A4 with a 2-liter turbo. Also one of the worst motors ever made. It was a diverter valve spacer. So when I was driving around, going through shifts, got that whoosh, whoosh,
Woo woo.
and it was awful. It was terrible.
Daniel is back and he has an answer for us today. I know he does, even though he doesn't know the question.
Question of the week, Daniel. What's the worst mod you ever did to a personal vehicle? One mod.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Seconds. 5.
Share it with the world.
I had some underglow on my Honda.
That's it. Done.
Winner!
You did underglow?
I did. You guys have to see the photo of Daniel and said Honda.
Yes.
Oh
my gosh.
So a little, there it is. There's that photo.
Oh, Dan too. Oh, wow.
You know, I really, my previous wallpaper, I took a lot of time to look for. But this really takes the cake. This is nice. All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a 10,000 follower giveaway to celebrate our milestone. We got a brand new Atlas Motor Company t-shirt that just came out. You'll get one or two of these, a $100 Bimmer World gift card, some other Atlas swag that we got here. All you have to do is like this post, tag 2 of your friends, and a week from now, we will pick a winner. Hey, dude, hey, stop flexing, bro.
You got here, Dan.
Little Yaz flute. All right, I've got a throttle body manifold. I don't know, I'm a sales guy. We got a throttle body set up here. All of our individual throttle bodies for the S54 because last week we checked out the silver cloth 6-speed Big 3 complete E46 M3.
You're gonna put those on for me, right, Dan?
Yeah, they can go on now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Sean's been doing a lot of work to this guy. We are completing all the Vanos work, right? Completing all the
Well, we did a cylinder head.
We did a cylinder head. This is going out to a good friend of ours up north.
And now we're putting the cams back in and retiming the engine. And doing refresh on the cooling system, so it's getting a new radiator. It's already got an upgraded oil cooler, but it's getting the radiator to match that, a water pump, new coolant hoses, thermostat, all of that fun stuff, so that
Nice.
when Ryan takes it out on track, she won't overheat.
Very nice. Big job you did.
But it should be good to go. I'm not done yet.
I know.
Long way to go.
That's why we have Sean. Oh man, it is a beautiful day here in Raleigh. What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is the 2004 E46 M3 convertible in Laguna Seca blue on black. We haven't had many non-gray LSB cars, but this is one of them. It's got 114,000 miles. Just got converted here in-house to a full 6-speed transmission. That includes a new clutch and all OEM components. So everything down to the shift knob and the shift boot is all new in OEM, the pedal, everything. Shout out to Patrick over at Bimmer World. He always has a shopping cart for us ready to go for these 6-speed swaps. The only thing left is obviously a full interior and exterior detail, but this guy will be listed today. You've been following along. We've been slowly bringing this one up to speed. It's gonna be a nice example. Bunch of other mechanical reconditioning. It's nice. It's gonna look great after detail. Booyah! Booyah! Oh yeah, there she is. All right, so we've had a really busy month here at Atlas. Close to 20 of our cars. We had 28 to start the month, so we've been really busy here. Service is picking up as well. And all the months and months of work to bring John on board are starting to pay off, and it's exciting. And with that, we have a couple new people joining our team, which we're gonna introduce to you next month. We're really excited to bring these folks on, but they're enthusiasts just like us. We're keeping the store and the service side and the organization a Christian-led enthusiast group of folks. Anyway, with that, we're able to get some of these big projects out of the way, one of which is this car right here. This is a 2004 E46 M3, 113,000 miles. It was an SMG. As you can see, we've got the optional paddle shifters. Don't worry, these will get removed. But we now have a 6-speed down here. And this is, gosh, I don't even know how many 6-speed swaps we've done now. It's quite a lot. But with it, you get a new clutch, new pedal, shift knob, boot, linkage, everything. The transmission from the SMG, if you guys aren't familiar with how that works, the E46 M3 transmission is essentially the same between the 6-speed and the SMG. The only thing that really differs is the bell housing. So you separate the transmission in half, the bell housing gets sent out, gets machined for the detents and everything else that's needed. And then a bunch of parts in a box arrive from BMW, and Sean spends the better part of 3 to 4 days basically piecing back together an M3 to a 6-speed. It's really neat. But that being said, everything feels brand new. The linkage, the throw, everything feels like an E46 M3 6-speed would back in the day off of the showroom floor. So it's really nice and refreshing to drive one of these because it's just solid. What you think, Jay?
It's beautiful.
It's fun.
It feels right. It feels right. Feeling that just manual feeling, man. Especially in this.
Yeah, I wish it was a nice fit. We got the top down.
I know.
That's all right. That's okay.
It's cool.
That's okay.
I like to see raindrops on the hood. It's cool.
Yeah, it's a cool color. Cool color. Yeah, this thing feels good. This is the first time I've driven it since we made it a 6-speed. And when it was an SMG, took it out, got it through first, got it through second, and then when I would shift it into third, it would skip right over into fourth. So something. The SMG rabbit hole of completing a SMG or fixing an SMG can be very dark and expensive, and at the end of the day, it might just be cheaper to throw it into a 6-speed. That was the... What are we doing?
Downtown Raleigh.
Oh my gosh. Can we look at this van? I want to know what's in this van. Oh my gosh. Peace, love, shrooms? What the heck? Oh, what's in the back of that van? That's a mystery machine. You got some Scooby snacks in the back of that guy. Oh man. Little John and the East Side Boys about to come out. Da-da-da-da-da. Little Need for Speed Underground 1.
Nice.
Oh! Is it touch? It's touchscreen.
Oh, at least. All right, we got a green light there. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna close that.
Oh, I want to get it. I want to catch it going in. Nice. So nostalgic.
So nostalgic.
Come on, man. We got flip out displays. We got shift
We got
knobs.
paddle shifters.
Shift knob and paddle shifters. That's not rev match. Yeah, man. This is
Watch
it.
out, Koenigsegg. This is the auto manual. Oh, this feels good. Wow.
Let's get some light up in here. Wow.
Feels good.
Man, these cars are amazing.
That S54. I'm sorry.
sings.
I know. Look, I've driven the new M3 and M4, the G. The power's awesome. It's a big car. They've done a decent job at making it feel like an M car should for its size. The power's great. Said it before, they've got really good at putting big power in big cars, but there's something about rowing your own gears.
There it is.
With a high-strung S54.
Woo! Woo! Wow!
Oh, it feels so good.
Wow!
Got a really unique special car to show you. This customer now has serviced multiple of his, I would say, vintage BMWs with us. This guy is getting a very, very healthy ticket, a full suspension refresh, bushings, fluids, you name it. Hopefully we can catch this guy next week in the garage and show him a walk through it, but this is a 1991 M5. That's as old as I am. I was born in 91, and this car looks really good. Check out the interior, Jay. Oh, it's pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks again for checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.